Hi guys, Tonya here for the unboxing Monations 2021. I'm a little late. I got the box the day before we were leaving for fall break, and as much as I wanted to try these products, I couldn't do it on family time. So here we go. If you are new to my channel, I am Tonya Aniszewski. I review products and services. Follow along, subscribe. I am a MONAT rep. And if you want to get to know me better, actually just get in touch with me on my Facebook group. It's free. Check me out there, and let's dig in. Opening the box. I love new products. I'm a product junkie. And when I got to MONAT, I had no idea what I was in for. But these are the new product launch for this fall. All right. I always like to give freebies. Great white tooth combs. These are great. Don't use brushes to comb through your hair, especially when it's wet. It's most fragile. Big tooth combs. And shakers for our wellness products. These are great with a little shaker ball inside. What do we have? Silky. I have my glasses on because I can't read. Silky and smoothing hand cream. That's going to be fantastic. For reviews, I will be posting YouTube videos as I review the products and try them out myself and give you guys reviews, but I'll also be doing it on my Facebook group, Change My Hair and Skin Today. So catch the link here and become a member so that way you guys can follow along, get to know me, get to know the products. I don't just review MONAT products. I love reviewing all products. I am approaching 50, mid 40s, late 40s actually, with 2 kids in elementary school. They are 7 and 9. So I review everything. Laundry detergent. If I can make a difference, help you, that's what I'm here for. What do we got? Bond Support Mask. So they have a new hair care line. This must be all boxed separately. Nope, it's all together. Okay, so it's damage repair, which if you color your hair, there's pollutants in the air, which we all have. If you do pretty much anything, you're going to have damage to your hair occasionally. So this is a great new program. I can't wait to try it. Damage Repair Bond Support Shampoo. Damage Repair Bond-Fortifying Hair Leave-In Cream. The leave-in conditioner, I never thought that I would actually like a leave-in conditioner. I thought it would be too much for me. But actually, the leave-in conditioner is fantastic. So I'm anxious to try that one and see how it compares. This is Damage Repair Bond Building Hair Treatment. I'll come back. I ordered 2 packages. That's why I have 2 of everything. So that I can share and I can try it out myself. Keep it for myself. Vegan protein. Okay, so this, they have been saying that this is the best tasting vegan protein ever. I do protein shakes all the time. I can't say that they're always 100% vegan, but this is supposed to be amazing. So I can't wait to try this out and show you guys what it's all about. Let's see, the packaging. It's so cool. That is the other one of my hair care. Let's see what's over here. Another vegan, and then here we go. Exfoliating and refine body, I can't talk. Exfoliate and refine body polish. The body care. It's funny that they released the body care because when I came home from Monations, and my daughter, who is 9, who loves the product, she's like, Mommy, they should have a body care line, like lotions and exfoliants and all this. She's 9. And I came home and I'm like, guess what they came out with? A body care line. And she was so excited. So it's really funny. Because we love the oil for so many things. The rejuvenating oil is like our go-to in the house for bug bites and rashes and just all kind of stuff. So they both use the MONAT line a lot. But the body care line is very exciting. So the Refine and Body Polish. There's a Refine and Body Lotion. Moisturize and Replenish Body Wash. That's what she really wants to try, the body wash. Because, you know, she's a big kid now. She's 9. She's a tween. At 9, she needs MONAT body wash at 9. I don't think so, but I'm going to have her try it out and tell me what she thinks. Hydrate and Repair Body Serum. So the serum I'm excited about. The serums from the skincare line are bar none the best that I have ever tried. I don't have perfect skin. And as we age, we lose so many things and our skin takes a toll. So now for a body serum, I'm so excited to try this. And I think that's it, guys, because I got double. So we got the protein, we got the body wash, the body lotion, the body, what's this one? Ooh, the body serum. We get that full line, and then the hair care line. So follow me along. Like, the packaging is amazing. I was so excited. I can't wait to try these products. So I'm gonna post videos on YouTube. I'm also gonna do it on my Facebook page. So follow me, get to know me. But MONAT is amazing. Listen to my story in a different video. I'll put it up, my why with MONAT. I hadn't tried the products before I got involved in the company, but I have to tell you that it's been an amazing ride, and these products are top of the line, and every time they release a new product line, I'm thoroughly impressed. So I'm happy to share it with you. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks, guys. Message me if you have any questions or put comments below. Bye.